Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Christian. Today I would like to show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price, because guys, you can clearly see right now Bitcoin, it seems that it's reversing. And if you remember from my yesterday video, I told you for a scenario that there is a probability to see something like a double bottom, which is super bullish, especially if Bitcoin will recover above this $26,753, which is this orange line that Bitcoin kept really strong for a couple days. If we're gonna recover and break this orange line and actually have a confirmation, especially in the 8-hour time frame or even in the daily time frame, then guys, if we're gonna actually get into this resistance that I'm gonna show you in a very few and break it, then we're gonna have a double bottom breakout confirmation, which, as you can understand, it's gonna lead the Bitcoin price into the technical price target of this double bottom. And guys, do not forget that in the 1st of June, Hong Kong retailer users gonna be able to buy Bitcoin legally on China, and especially in Hong Kong, which could potentially skyrocket the price of Bitcoin, because do not forget that Hong Kong is one of the most richest city in Asia. So this could be very huge for the Bitcoin price. If it could spike the Bitcoin price up to $30,000 or above. So do not neglect that, okay? And on this video, we're gonna analyze all the scenarios that they are probable to happen as the next move for the Bitcoin price. If we actually gonna see continuation of this pump to the downside, what we should pay attention, what levels we should focus on, and from the other side, if we're gonna see a reversal, what resistance we will need to break to actually confirm the continuation of the pump. So if you would like to know these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you're gonna see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment or any kind of trade. And do not forget to check my Patreon group, because here, guys, you're gonna notice that I added here another tier where you're gonna find my conservative buy alerts and sell alerts of the biggest bags that I'm holding right now on my altcoins. It's a top 10, top 15 altcoins that I'm holding on this current portfolio that you're gonna find on these VIP soldiers. And actually on those cryptos, on those altcoins, I'm accumulating with dollar cost average every month lots of money. And also you're gonna have access to a community where all together all the VIP soldiers are gonna speak for whatever subject related with crypto. From the other side, I have the VIP elite soldiers, which, as you understand, it's for elite investors, for investors that have lots of money ready to go into the market, because you're gonna find advanced strategies, because we are investing in small caps. And guys, the small caps are not shit coins, are not meme coins, are coins with a real world utility, companies that are starting right now in the crypto space and have incredible potential to blow up and make from 100x up to 1000x easy. Okay, this is how I'm spending my time to research for new cryptos with insane potential for the next bull run to explode. And actually, these cryptos provide real world utility. And also, another very important part of this VIP elite soldiers is that you're gonna find here a Telegram VIP community only for elite soldiers. And actually here, guys, multimillionaires included. And also all together, we're gonna speak for very high valuable things around the crypto on this Telegram VIP community for elite soldiers. Okay, whatever it fits to you, I'm waiting for you to see you and make a community. I love that. So without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start the analysis, because we have lots of interesting things to cover out. To remind you guys, we had this consolidation phase here for a couple times. I told you that here was a double top. It didn't broke with a confirmation in the 8-hour time frame. It continued with a slight relief pump to the upside. So then we had this descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern, but also this broke to the upside. That was super bullish move. But eventually this ended up like a fake out, and then we saw this incredible massive reversal, which led the Bitcoin price back to $25,800 at the lowest point. But I told you yesterday the two scenarios. The first scenario was actually to see a continuation to retest the most crucial support of the Bitcoin price, which we have right now, which is the $25,200. And if this support, guys, gonna break this yellow line, or otherwise this red line on this daily chart, if this support gonna break, the scenario is gonna become catastrophic for the Bitcoin price. I told you that I don't believe that this scenario to break this red line is possible. I give very low probabilities to happen. I don't mean that it's impossible, but I say that this scenario has very low probabilities to happen because we saw very strong adoption back from that area of $20,500. Banks closed, people pull off the money, put those money on the Bitcoin. So it's very rational to hold those prices because people don't sell. Okay, and this type of movements that we are experiencing here is actually from traders, from whales, which trying to manipulate the market. That's why I believe Bitcoin right now is looking strong, no matter what it sounds around the people who doesn't have, from the people who don't have that much experience to see the market with a clear view. Okay. Or they took a direction and they are closed mind and they don't change direction until they get completely wrecked out. And also do not forget, guys, 90% of people gonna open longs positions. There is a big probability that if we ever come to this $25,200 to see an incredible rally to the upside and break every kind of resistance, because everyone is going to open insane long positions on this $25,200 area, which is insane. Okay, and right now let's speak for the second scenario, which is the double bottom, which I told you previously. You can clearly see the first bottom is on that area, the second bottom happened here, and we have a base which is exactly the $27,650, which is exactly this base. And guys, if Bitcoin will completely recover, break the previous support of $26,750, we stay above and we're gonna continue the pump to the upside and retest this yellow line, I believe 90% I'm gonna break it and I'm gonna get straight into the technical price target. And let me make more put in line this yellow line, and actually I'm gonna give you the technical price target, which you're gonna see that this technical price target, guys, for the Bitcoin price is approximately at $29,500. So to get there, obviously we will need to break this $28,000, which is a daily resistance and is very crucial to actually flip the current trend. If you're gonna see a reversal and actually break this blue line, the situation is gonna flip to super bullish, because subsequently we're gonna have this green line, which is the $29,350, which is a weekly resistance. And also if we're gonna break this green line, then guys, we are heading to retest the most crucial resistance for the Bitcoin price, which was the previous support of the bull run of 2021. If you completely zoom out, you're gonna notice that it was a very crucial support. The time that we broke this support, the bear market began. So right now, in the opposite way, the time that we're gonna break this yellow line, I don't say that the bull run is gonna come, but definitely we're gonna jump into higher numbers, because the reason that Bitcoin right now is standing into higher numbers is because the adoption. If we wouldn't actually were able to see the adoption back here, Bitcoin right now would be in $20,000 or below. So let's see right now what's about to happen, how Bitcoin will react until the 1st of June. I believe that 1st of June we're gonna see a rally to the upside, and I believe the rally is gonna be big. There is a big probability to see a rally and break this yellow line and see actually Bitcoin over $30,500, because guys, Hong Kong is one of the most richest countries in the world. So if retailers gonna buy, you're gonna tell me it's retailers, but it doesn't matter. Okay, it could pump the price, it could create all this hype around, and even more people open long positions because of that, and all this thing, all this hype around this specific movement gonna bring the Bitcoin price into an incredible rally in the very short term, because subsequently obviously we could see some pullbacks, some consolidation phase. I don't say that we're gonna jump into a bull run, but definitely we could potentially see a pump and some slightly altcoin season. Okay, this is very possible to see something like that. So this is exactly what I would like to tell you about the Bitcoin. The Dixie, guys, you can clearly see after this massive downtrend movement, it broke this resistance. That's why, from technical side at least, it's pumping. It's right now at $104, but I believe definitely from time to time this is gonna be reversed, and I believe it's gonna break the area of $100, and this could also bring the Bitcoin price into bigger price. Okay, if Dixie gonna get under of $100, this could definitely mean to bigger price. And that's what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.